Hello students. Now you are enjoying a lockdown vacations with some restrictions, but it is also necessary that we should start our study again. So let us start with the new lesson, new chapter, that is wonderful waste. Generally, waste means what? Waste means the useless things. We avoid to use them, as well as we do not use them. So these wastes, these wastes are sometimes proves unnecessary for us. But this lesson, second lesson, which is the wonderful waste, teaches us something interesting about these wastes. So let's start. Let's see. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. There is a name of the one king, that is a Maharaja of Travancore. There is a one king, that is a king of Travancore, who has arranged a grand dinner, a grand meal or the feast for his guests in his palace. So before the dinner, he decided to observe the kitchen to survey the food. So he visited the kitchen at that time. Say, what are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? He asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook. The cook replied, they are waste. We will throw them away. See what happened when our king entered in the kitchen. At that time, he saw a basket of a vegetable scraps. At that time, he asked the cook what he is going to do with those vegetable scraps. And the king was very wise. See, the king was very wise, as well as he was very clever. He did not like that his cook is wasting that scrap. So he asked him, and at that time the cook replied, the cook answered to the king that these are the wastes and we will throw them away. See, but the king did not like his answer. He ordered to the cook. He said, you cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them. The Maharaja commanded sternly and walk away. See, sternly means very strictly, very angrily. He commanded to the cook. He said that you cannot waste all these bits and the pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them. See, the king ordered to the cook that he must use that vegetable scraps, that vegetable bits in the cooking. The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. See, here our cook, who was very confused after the order of the king, suddenly an idea flashed across his mind. That cook got an idea. That idea flashed in his mind. He was thinking about the king's order. He was thinking about the vegetable scraps, and at that time he got an idea. Suddenly he got an idea. See, he took all the vegetable bits, washed them and cleaned them well. The cook was also very clever. He listened. He followed the king's order. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them and cleaned them very properly, and decided something to do with the vegetable scraps. So let's see what happened again. Then he cut them into a long strips. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. See what happened? The cook was also wise. He was also clever. So he decided to use that vegetable scraps, vegetable bits in the kitchen at the time of cooking. He collected all the vegetable scraps. He cleaned them. He washed them. Then cut them into a long strips. Then he put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire for the cooking. Next, he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies, garlic together. See what happened next? He made a paste with the help of coconut, green chilies and garlic together. Generally, when we observe in our home, our mother also uses all these things at the time of cooking a food, because all these things makes our food, makes our dishes delicious, and we like it so much. So just like that, that cook was also a very skillful man. He was a good cook. He used he made a paste with the help of coconut, green chilies and garlic together, and he added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetable. See, for the taste he also used that paste and salt in the cooking vegetable. Salt is very necessary because without salt, sometimes we do not like our food. So this cook is very clever. He used all these material to make his dish delicious. See, next what happened? A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Now see, that dish was ready and a tempting smell. A tempting means mouth-watering smell. A very delicious smell started to come from the pot. Now he whipped some curd and added it to the curry. See, he used also curd. He spread some curd on it, and on it he also poured a few spoonful of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. See, then again that cook who has made now a curry which is very delicious from the vegetable scraps, and for the decoration purpose he used some curry leaves. Sometime in our home we also use curry leaves, as well as our mother always uses a coriander for the decoration. Then lo and behold, the new dish was ready. Lo and behold, it shows surprise. Look, what a surprise! The new dish was ready. The cook served his new dish to the guests that evening. In that evening dinner, that cook served this dish for to the all guests, and everybody liked it so much. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook thought and thought. See, everybody liked that curry, everybody liked that dish, and everybody was eager to know the name of that dish. And then our cook was thinking about the name of the dish. Then a name came his mind. He named it Avial. See, then our cook, who was very clever, he has given a name to his new dish, that is new curry, that is Avial. Avial became a famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. See, this dish became very famous, very popular in a Kerala feast in a Kerala, and now it added in the and this dish added in the traditional Kerala feast. And imagine, it all came from a basket of waste. And imagine, just think, this delicious curry, this delicious food came from where? From a basket of waste, from a basket of that bits of it means what? Sometime this waste proves very useful for us. What this lesson teaches us? This lesson teaches us that sometime as well, many times we can use all these waste, we can use all these scraps to make a good things. Just like around you can see many more waste papers. With that waste papers you can make beautiful things, some good things, decorative things, as well as you can see in our kitchen sometime we see waste food, and we throw them in the dustbin. So instead of throwing them in the dustbin, we can use that waste food for the we can use, or we can give this waste food to the animals, to the birds. It means what? This lesson teaches us that sometimes this waste proves very useful for us, and we can use it again and again.